Hi guys. A bit of a different background here. So today's Saturday and I am heading to the gym. So pretty much today I want to bring you guys along with me to my activities for today, if you will. So I guess this will be considered a vlog. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to go to the gym and I'll show you guys what I do over there. Don't judge me, my form might be off, but you know what, I'm okay with it.
What up? My name is Chris X. Check me out, Chris X Fitness. But one thing I'm excited about, 5 days out the week, I get to see April's smiling face. So wipe it off. All right now y'all are in the eyes of April. Working those lower abs and the upper. Nice flat belly. She out here working, y'all. But how hard is she working? I'm gonna let y'all be the judge. This is just a glimpse of what she goes through. Reach.
Okay?
Yeah, we're not worried about him. She's not alone, folks. Meet Mr. Betters. He gotta live up to his name today.
Hey, today, we gotta be better.
Yes, 20 slams. Crunch that core more. This looks like a silhouette. Three, 2, 1. All right, this is the aftermath, y'all. How does she look? Does it match how she feels?
So after I get home, I gotta get my daily protein intake, and I ordered this one from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And then, you know, I gotta get a little dance in before I start cooking for the week. Guys, so today is Sunday and and I just had breakfast. Sorry I didn't film that, but right now I am driving to a different city to go teach a modeling class. Yeah, so that's where I'm going right now. Traffic is crazy, it's raining, it's muddy, and I hate this type of weather. I feel like I should be in bed asleep right now, but I'm driving. Look, you guys, it's crazy out there. Drive safe if you're in the Dallas area. But yeah, you guys will see me in action as soon as I get to school.
Capture it all for you so you can look back at it later. That's how I would teach you to practice this stuff. Because once the actual techniques, the little tricks, the elements that go into posing, once you're comfortable with those, the whole point is so that then you can express through them. That's the whole point of this. Everything that you do as a pose, when you work as a model, is to express, to connect, to make someone see you and feel something. So, to be able to do that in a way that works, you need the foundation. Shift. 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 Ah, nice. Okay.
Okay, Melanie is winning. Someone's got to beat her.
Looks like we have a contender. And 3, 2, 1, pose. Shift. 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 Relax it. Relax the face.
Relax your face. You're good. You're good.
Shift. Shift. Let the lips part this way.
Come on, you guys. You got this.
Shift.
Someone's about to lose. I feel it.
Shift.
Don't be the loser.
Shift.
Don't be the loser.
Shift. Shift.
Hey guys, so I know this is not the best lighting first off, but you guys, I'm just coming back from my class. I am now about to go to Starbucks to get some editing done because I need to put up a video soon because it's almost a week since I put up the last one. I'm trying to do once a week like you guys know, but yeah, sorry I couldn't get more footage of me actually teaching the class. It's because there's really no one to take a video of me while I was teaching, so it's just kind of challenging to do that, but you guys kind of just got the idea of what we do with the students. It's my friend Sierra that is one of the part owners of the school, so if you're in the Dallas area, you need a modeling school, definitely check Bella Modeling out. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you like my vlog, and I'll probably do a full outfit video or shot, maybe in the Starbucks bathroom or something, but I will leave you guys here now. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.